Hey everyone, welcome to the cabin. My name's Alec Brits, and today we're talking about the Daking Mic Pre-II. I'm going to show you all of the unit's features, and most importantly, how it sounds. Thank you very much to Studio Care for letting this video be a possibility. Let's jump right in. The front of the Daking Mic Pre-II shows a fully variable high pass in the off position, all the way up to 200 Hz. Then we have a variable gain potentiometer for up to 70 decibels worth of gain. We have our instrument input, source select from 1/4 inch to XLR, phase reverse, minus 20 decibel pad, and plus 48 volt phantom power. These are very sturdy feeling and very well illuminated. You won't miss this from halfway across the room. Finally, you have a LED VU style meter. Let's take a look at the back of the unit. The rear of the unit shows an input for the wall wart power supply, XLR input, XLR output, TRS output, and then the same again. Now you get to hear how this unit sounds. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you at the end for my thoughts.
Baby, don't hold out me. Baby, don't hold out on me. I'm fighting my battles, losing them all to you. Still water, frozen without a time. Still water, am I losing you without a fight? There's nothing left here to lie about. Eroded by our destructive doubts. And if you feel the same, maybe this should end. Still water, frozen without a time. Still water, am I losing you without a fight? Am I losing you without a fight?
So, the Daking Mic Pre-II. Anytime I'm buying a new piece of equipment, the first thing I do is go onto the forums and see what people are using it on. And Daking's one of those things where as soon as you start doing quite a bit of scrolling, there's this whole hush hush, don't let people know. I don't agree with that sentiment with equipment. I think everybody should know what's going on at all times with the stuff, but I get it because it's a total Swiss Army knife. My favorite thing by a long shot is the low cut. So a lot of times when I'm using low cuts, the source material can sometimes start to feel quite diluted in the bottom end. But with this, it never really felt, as soon as I felt like it was going to feel that way, then I just took a little second, took a break, listened again, and it was more of a finished version of what I wanted it to be. So, take for example the song you just heard. Everything was cut flat except for low cuts. And it started to really show the character of the microphone preamplifier. It's a really exciting sounding box. Even though it's ruler flat, you start to feel this mid-range energy, all the way in the upper mid-range is quite exciting but not harsh. And the air, when you're stacking vocals and acoustic guitar, really becomes apparent. The other thing that is really surprising about this box is the price. So currently it's retailing for £1,100, and I think that it sounds as good or even better than things that cost twice or 3 times the price. And bear in mind, like, this has got Jensen input transformers, and that's not like a cheap thing, you know. In the previous video, I used it on the AEA KU5A and the AEA N8 Nuvo stereo kit. And using it on ribbon microphones, again, is a really rewarding process, because when it comes to mixdown time and you're opening up top end and stuff, the noise floor just doesn't exist, which is great. And because of the whole nature, like I said before, of stacking things, it's really forgiving. So, all in all, I think it's a bit of a slam dunk. If there's anything that I would change, it would purely just be a visual thing, where if they could release a black version, that would be cool, and kind of bring it up into the modern way of styling audio equipment, but, you know, that's just a personal thing. If there's any other equipment that you would like me to review, or any other software bits that you would like me to review, please do let me know. Most importantly, I hope you're looking after yourselves and that you're being kind. See you soon.